Back to our quick talk. Now we have different guests. Let's welcome our SK Chairman, SK Chairwoman, Barangay Captain, and Mr. Principal. Now we're going to ask them how did they find solution to the different problem with the support of the UNDP Quick Wins. Okay, Barangay Captain. Our country is now facing a drought due to the climate change. As a barangay captain of Barangay Kalipay, what would you implement to your community, Mr. Compuesto?
I implement to my community plant endangered trees at the community level to provide shade for those who traffic protection, windbreak, and timber.
Now let's ask Mr. Principal Tabigi. As a school head, Mr. Tabigi, how does your school help the poor families to access free education?
School with no school fees and free access to educational materials and facilities in schools to ensure that all children attend classes. These elements for families to receive that education is only for those who can afford it. Finances can include donor assistance from partnership with private groups.
Now let's ask our SK chairwoman, Miss Kiara. Lots of children can't afford to buy food, making them hungry. What will you do?
As an SK, children are provided with free schooling for 8 foundations using locally produced food by state.
Now let's ask SK chairwoman, Miss Jamaica. Do your barangay provide regular annual rewarding?
Yes, especially in poor needy areas to improve health.
Now, what actions you should do as a SK chairwoman to reduce violence against women and children? Miss SK Chairman Giselle.
We do active national and local campaigns to reduce violence against women and children.
Now let's ask our Miss SK Chairwoman Juna Face. How do you prevent the spreading diseases of malaria and dengue in your barangay?
Distribution of free and effective insecticide treated benefits to families, especially in malaria and dengue endemic areas.
Now let's ask our last SK Chairman, Mr. Bato. What would you implement to help poor farmers to get supplies for their crops?
Provision for poor farmers of affordable supplies for soil nitrogen and other soil nutrients.
Thank you for your nice answer. And that's all. Thank you for watching.